2023 Rivian R1T is first electric pickup to top US crash tests. The Rivian R1T is the first electric pickup to earn the highest crash safety rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The 2023 Rivian R1T electric pickup has been named as a Top Safety Pick Plus by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety after a round of crash tests in the US. It's the first electric pickup to collect the highest rating from the IIHS, and one of only 2 US pickups to earn the award, joining the 2022 Toyota Tundra Crew Cab petrol-electric hybrid. The Rivian R1T result follows an earlier rating of superior 4 Rivian's R1S 3-row SUV, without crash testing by the IIHS. To earn the rating as a top safety pick, a vehicle must score a good rating in 6 IIHS crash tests at 64 km/h frontal driver side small overlap, frontal passenger side small overlap, moderate frontal overlap, original side, roof strength, and head restraint. It must also have a frontal crash prevention system that earns advanced or superior ratings in vehicle-to-vehicle and daytime vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. Adding the plus tag requires what the IIHS describes as good or acceptable headlights on all trim grades. There is no comparable testing in Australia, and the IIHS ratings are separate to the official testing by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which is a US government agency. The crash testing comes as the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety prepares to test a growing number of heavyweight electric vehicles, including SUVs and pickups. Last week, the IIHS tested an older generation Ford F-150 pickup loaded to 4,100 kilograms, the expected weight of future SUVs, for crash testing. The Rivian R1T weighs an epic 3,242 kilograms, about twice as heavy as most small cars and medium SUVs. The R1T Explorer costs $67,500 and comes well equipped with the safety features mentioned above, as well as an onboard air compressor, synthetic leather seats, heated steering wheel, 8-way power front seats and more. It doesn't offer Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, not even as an option.